or me will stay there. At least me stay there for 1 week. Me go there on the weekend. But me not live with man, my love. I live with friend before though. I live with friend. I live with friend and our man. I live with friend and then granny. I live with friend and their family. I live with friend and Lou. I live with friend and friend. I live with strangers already because I have roommates. I live by myself, but I never take up myself go live with man. If me married a man, if I come live with me, oh, and when we vex me, just go in and one room them. You see all of the little dirty girl them in the comments. Why me I be so rude in the morning? Only I try to jam me, but it not work. You see all of you girls in the comment section that is talking about Keno, this Keno, that. How you want to fuck my man? Why my man name in your mouth so much? You little piece of shit. Why is my man name in your mouth so much? You see my man I beg no. You little piece of shit. Why is my man name in your mouth so much? You see my man I beg no. Ian?
Alright, come.
Me I go mute on here.
Why? What you talk about?
Me I talk about my business. So, what me I say now? And I like me I come back, you know. You have people out there where you pay and them get it for you and then add upon it as a roommate to the apartment, them know say you live there. That me I look. So I asked him about Keno. Did you know that Keno soon move out of mother house up on his own? Did you know that if I use Keno social security, put the apartment in a theme name, use theme bank statement, and use theme credit history to get an apartment for me? Did you know that by the time him could get one next apartment, in credit something drop? In credit score will drop. And it will make him harder to get theme apartment. It will make it harder for when him ready to move, he can't go get theme things. And me not take people kindness for weakness. If me ask him right now to get the apartment, he must say yes. He not go say no. He go say yes. He not go say no. He must get it for me. But because me and him done have a discussion, me and him talk, and him tell me say he go move. I don't have to tell him the month and date when he move, but him soon move out up on him own. So if me know say boy soon move out, why me I go still ask him to get an apartment for me, knowing that it go affect him when him forget one? Make him stay. Me pay my money and pay somebody to get it for me. Me pay somebody to get it for me, and that me I try to deal with. But me no want nobody get it and have it in a for them name. Them have to add me upon the lease so the apartment or the house know say me live there too. You know what I say? So that me adapt. Guys, 18 rows me tea when I go catch it. You both go live together. Can you come out of my relationship, miss? You don't have one to go and invest in one of your relationship, girl? Yeah. Guys, you know say work are looking at work. Them staff shot in a Atlanta airport. Mirrors, I say me have Keno have only a story for telling you. You know, say last night after we reached at the airport in Atlanta, when we ready for land now, land and drive go up, the plane stop. The man will fly the plane say Atlanta is short staff at the airport and that we need to wait 35 minutes in the plane before somebody can put the something on the plane, and when the door open we can walk through it. 35 minutes. We stood on in our plane for 35 minutes when we land last night because them shorter stuff. I couldn't come out. Me devastated last night. Then when we go so back now, I will come out of the plane. When your blood clot, look. Keno can't find the car. We come out of the plane about 7:30 and when I reach our yard till 1 a.m. I saw me and Keno and Ice running at the airport. Keno don't remember which part he left the car. He ticket when he get, he ticket left in the car. You know when you have to go park for like a day, 2 days or so, then give one little ticket, he put the ticket back in the car. So we never have that ticket for sure where car park. We just blood clot myself last night because let me did one ball. And you know what worst thing? A place which part the car park we pass us over 100 times we pass it. Could we find the blood cleat car? When that time I sit up and start ball. You know when I get so upset you start ball. Till Keno say he might take one Uber. Till Keno say I call one Uber for me go me and Ice. I'ma tell him say, me not left you one notice so we all look for that carrier together. As much as somebody want to go, you know. Yes! Snipe the blood clot! I'm done! I'm done, thank you, baby! Wop, 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 wop. Guys, we're celebrating 400K and today Ice is 7 months. Mama sweetness texting me, I go look. I'm done, thank you, baby. So I kind of decide now. So, be honest, be real now, right? Watch. Let me on the talk. Watch your way. So you have one apartment. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, dining, kitchen and living room. It is very luxury. When they're in the living hall, a glass right round. You can see city and everything glass. And it come with tub and standing shower. For or the price is good for that. Or would you take a 4-bedroom house, garage, living, dining, one big old office area, 2.5 bathroom and a backyard for the same good price? Which one you would take? 17 rows, 17 rows, 17 rows, 17 rows. 17 rows, guys. Jump the fence, jump over Fabi and send her 1 rose. Jump over Fabi, you guys, and then send the rose fast. 17 rows, quick. 17 rows, jump! Fucking hell. You can get roommates with that one. Me, I will chat to girl. Which one is more secure? I must say apartment. Yours not secure. Apartment. But with your house, you have to buy a washing machine and dryer. And that I can't bother with now. Blood clot. Unmute them. Why you not go over there go hear them? You know easy. I feel me life. Me up on you know. You know easy. You made a mistake with Ice age. So Ice how much then? You're going to tell me I don't know my son age? What is this? Ice is 10 months. So where you get 7 months from? What in the mad house is going on here? You said 7. Your ears is giving you problem. That's what's up. I never tell you 7 months. Boy, I can't take when the morning too early and the people then not hear good. I will have ice. What you mean by that? Ear sheens, boy, we all ear. You said 7. No, something wrong with your ears and I hear good. That's 7. So, yeah, that matter about now. We need to get that apartment there before December because we can't take it moving in a cold, you know. Boy, I live up for better, but too much people don't believe better. Yesterday, I scroll. I want girl let me see the live, you know. At my apartment up on our back screen. You can imagine. Let me see if I can even screenshot it, you know. Or if I posted the apartment I show. The girl have the apartment. She don't have the unit number, but she have the complex on her green screen. Why the fuck she have it up? I'm sorry, but when we move, not even one house store them now get. Alright, guys, we need a snipe because TJ them I get 6, you know. Guys, we need a snipe. Buy a washing machine in November. I'm going to buy a washing machine in it. I'm going to get no house yet. For pack up push bar. Hello. Guys, you can get a snipe with some unarmed snipe. Snipe, my team. Unarmed snipe. Money gun snipe. Jesus Christ, people them all look. How can I have so much people and I can't? Yes, I have a lot of people and I love it. How can I have so much people and lose? Like, that's not possible. You understand what I'm saying? Yes! Guys, everybody follow. That one. Thank you, baby. TJ, you can't leave your under
Thank
two.
you, one trooper.
No, they must have something over.
What is it? Can't leave your under
What?
two.
Them just some of them are saying serious, but we don't know what.
Go on, can you mix up long time? Go on over Jaden live.
No, I don't mix up. Yeah. Guys, so they can't comment and tell me how.
Look how she run down. I say, look again, mix up watching blood clot. Alright, go on. Every later, baby. Watch every night. Watch every night dark and every light done. TJ, you mix up for your man. Alright, let me see now. I have 25 Street, I can't lose them in that man in there. I must say blood clot, man. I'm not playing nobody, my love. Me I go and bill. Guys, me have one match later with Nikki for my streaks. Them don't make a girl take them, you know. When Keno go home today, I make him drop me because I go with him because I need to pick up Louis. You. Louis must miss me. Nikki have 21. You too blood clot. Like, what am I too blood clot. Like, what am I message with? She have 2 strong shooter. That's a fair business. We care about our 2 little Humpty Dumpty Hong Kong little ratatouille shoot at them. Nobody's scared of she. Does she know who the fuck we are? Who Fred and Nikki and our 2 Humpty Dumpty shooters them? Hello. Your sensation them a blood clot roll out look more. Hey girl, Valentine was popping. Valentine, I soon text you about me say we are the plane. We in a plane for 35 minutes after I plane land last night. Me devastated in the blood cleat. No, last night me and her did for play, but me never reach home. They play at 10 o'clock. Them say Ramisha keep big party tonight, so me not play 9 night. Me I play at 5 o'clock with her today. Well, me text her back. Should I live now? Let me see. Wait, guys, I'm not going to see comments there. Let me look for her. Oh, she that over there, so if I... Oh, she that over there, so if I... She have a cutty line? She on cutty line a play?
You want to install.
Oh, no, she on cutty line. No!